Okay, I share one thing. Please check that one is available or not. You can check it. Hopefully, you can see that one will be available. So what we need to do in here, create a Windows virtual machine. We already create lots of virtual machine in our Azure portal. Same thing we want to do in here using that one. So that one is come from our Windows server. Windows server means Microsoft shared one sandbox. Sandbox means that one they will give us one link. We can go in there and we can install our VM in there, and it's free. Okay, so I open that website and I can see verify your account. Click on the start puzzle. So they always are doing like that one. I can see that one is the two match with that one. So I need to find out where is the two. I can see two, submit it. Done verification complete. That verification based on your work, that one will be showing. You can see exercise, create a virtual machine, and you can see for review permissions. So we need to give the permissions for our reviewing purpose. Click in the review permissions. When I click into the review permissions, then you can see another page will become. Page means your which one is your website. Your portal.azure.com is available. That one will be showing. Click in there, accept. Now they're giving you one sandbox. Wait a second, they said in between 10 minutes, you can use your sandbox. Sandbox means they will give you one space instead of your computer, instead of your server, you can use that one. So I can see something went wrong. Again, they're trying. Let's wait. I can see 99% creating file share. That one will be show. You can see every steps will be written in here. How to create your research group, how to create your server. Every information will be showing in here. So for our this lab, we don't need to create any research group by automatically. We can use. And they are creating file share for us. We can use the virtual machine, and we can use that sandbox, and we can run that one in our computer. Computer means in our Azure portal. So wait a couple of minutes in here. I refresh it. Let me check. Okay, now I can see that one active sandbox. Click in there. Okay, again, they are checking for permissions. Okay, now I can see they give me one option, sandbox activated. Sandbox means They give me one space, and that one is available for only for 1 hour. 59 minutes is left, and in one day I can use 10 sandbox. We can use 59 minute, so 10 sandbox in here. So I don't need to use the 10. Let's use that one. Now move into the Azure portal. Click into the Azure portal. I can say this window will become. So click into the next. They asked me the password. Write down your password in here. Again, that one is making the authentication. Give me 1 second. I cannot see any data. I cannot log in there. Using here phone call because that one is not working perfectly. Now I can see my Azure portal. One thing is changed. When you log in the Azure portal, you can see the same page will be showing. Just one thing is different. You can see, if you can see under your name, Microsoft Learn Sandbox will be showing in here. That's it. That's the change. Nothing else. Now we need to create the virtual machine. Every instruction will be available in that another. If you check it in there, the instruction is available. Create resource group, and so instead of that way, we are going to install another way. Now click into the virtual machine. We are going to create new virtual machine, create new virtual Azure virtual machine. Everything will be working our Microsoft Sandbox. Click in here. You can see there is two things. One is Swiss directory. That means you can see the lots of directory will be showing. So that one is currently active. That one is from the Microsoft. Microsoft give us. You can see learn.docs.microsoft.com. They give us. Or by default, we are using always ours. One is this one. Okay. So let's close this window. We don't need. So I want to create one virtual machine. Same thing we did it previously. And if you go to the resource group, you can see the learn and resource group will be automatically available in here. Write down virtual machine, any name. I write down existing one. No need to any infrastructure. Trusted image file. They said use the Windows Server 2019. You can check it in there. They said Windows Server 19 and data center 64 generation 2. So if you, but let's use that way. Now, by default on which one you can see, that one will be good. We don't need to change anything in here. And let's use the username. I always which one using, that one I want to use in here. Let's use in here 2422. Azure and the password I always use. Which one? That one will maybe available. But let me check one more time. Otherwise, if I write down anything other things, so I cannot log in. Give me 1 minute. I want to check. I want to copy the password because password is very important. I write down password. Okay, I change the password. Allow ports in the instruction. They are using only this port. Okay, you can take the instruction and click on the Windows Server. I have confirmed license. Okay, they said no need to do that one. Let's and in the instruction any other thing in the disk. Okay, we don't need to do any other things now. Just click into the review plus create. Just write down few only set up your resource group name, and after then click into the create. I can say validation passed. If validation is passed, so we don't need to think about anything. Deploy is running. When that one will be finished, we will try to deploy. Failed or no? What happened? Let me check. The deployment resource group learned this on failed. Additional details for API might be helpful at least. Okay, so from the Microsoft, which one they share with us, that one is the making problem. Let me go back. Okay, let me go back. Okay, I cannot create. Let me do it again. Problem in their resource group. Let me use in here. Let me. Okay, which one I missed? Maybe I think I did not miss anything. They write down one name, test BPM. Let's write down that one. Yeah, I did that one, but why not mine is working? Interesting. Okay, let me try one more time. Okay, no infrastructure, data center. That one is okay. Let me use the Azure and use the Azure user. Let me copy the password again, paste in here. That one. Do I need to click in here? That one is saying leave it. Password okay, allow port, RDP port okay, leave uncheck. Yes, I would like to existing Windows license. Okay, I did not do anything. Uncheck it. Good. Let's click on the disk. In the disk, they are using 30 GB SSD image default. Premium SSD. I can see that one is the premium SSD. Platform independent delete VM. Okay. Networking in the networking. Networking, what they are doing, 172.16.00.16, 172.16.00. Okay, subnet vmnet. Accept the default name, good. Address range in the row below the heading, enter 172.16.00.16, 172.16 new one subnet. Create public IP. VPN ID, okay. Subnet, what they are saying. Address range 172.16. That one is the showing the 10. So anywhere we can create new, not new, virtual network. Let me move in there. Okay, in here, address is showing this one. Let me delete it. Let's use that one address. Let's press OK. At least one address is placed in here. Subnet name. I can see another one is showing. Let me use in here. The name must. Okay, sorry, I write on name. VMnet. Okay, please fix the error. I fix it. Anything error? Okay, I changed that one. In the instruction, they said 172 use. Okay, I use that one. Anything I cannot see, press OK. Nothing is there. Now click on the create and review. Let me check. Validation passed. Let me click on the create. Again, showing the error message. Test VP VM to VNet. Operation details. What happened in here? Subscription is mine is that one. Operation ID create failed. I don't have permission to use that one. It's interesting. Anyone can do that one. Devagar, it's not working, right? Let me try one more time. What happened?
No, sir. Mine is deployed. It worked.
Okay, let me check one more time. Thank you. This is very interesting. Okay, in the sandbox, problem in the sandbox. Okay, give me 1 second. And share my screen again. I'm in the virtual machine. Okay, create a virtual machine. I'm in there. Okay, now I find out. Okay, in here, that one we are using. In here to subscription. Let me change that one. Let me use this one. In here, to subscription is showing. I don't know why 2 is there. Normally it should be 1. Let's write down that name. Non-image. Let's use the Windows 90. Okay, standard 1. Write down the Azure. Write down the password. Allow that one. No need to do anything. Disk. In the disk. Everything is good to go. In here, no need to problem. In here, we need to change the IP address. Instead of 10, they said please use another one. They said use the 17172. Okay, in here, one more thing. STUS we can use. Yeah, we are in the STUS. Premium, that one is good. We did that things in here. Any other thing? Create a virtual machine and disk tab. Address list is below heading. Enter these two given address, full address. Let me change this one. This one is default one. Delete public IP when VM none as okay. Let me click into the now. I change the subscription. Let me check it. What will happen? Wait a couple of minutes in here. Okay, now my VM is good. Let's go to resource. Now I can see click into the connect. Let's connect it. Let's download RDP file. Let's try to connect with the RDP file. Open and now save it. I save it. Let's double click in there. Log in into the VM. Don't ask me. Connect. Let's try to connect. Write down the password. Remember, login. Now, hopefully I can log in there. Okay, we can log in there. That's it. So wait a couple of seconds in here. It will be take times. When this one will be finished, then we can see. Okay, and I change the shape. Okay, guys, you cannot see my screen. Give me 1 second. That's working. This is the virtual machine. So now we can see our virtual machine is working. That's it for today's class. So you can do that one. And finally, you can see your virtual machine will be showing in here. So this is the Microsoft. So we don't need to think about, we don't need to delete anything. Just click into the close. That one will be close. And you can come back in your